Power steering fluid and filter change is necessary to keep the system clean and operating efficiently. The use of high-quality fluids and filters will ensure the removal of contaminants and dissipate heat. Refer to the vehicle manufacturer's service manual for the vehicle's recommended service interval. Preventive maintenance service of the Sheppard power steering system should include a fluid change, filter change, and a visual inspection of all components. Park the vehicle on a clean, dry, solid surface. Set the parking brake. Place the transmission in neutral and block the rear wheels. Raise the front end of the vehicle until the tires have cleared the surface using a hydraulic jack. Place a drain pan under the steering gear to catch the fluid. Remove the pressure and return lines from the steering gear to drain the fluid. Wipe the area around the reservoir cap with a clean towel. Remove the reservoir cover. Remove the filter from the canister and discard. Discard only the filter element. The other parts may be used to retain the filter in the reservoir assembly. With the hoses disconnected, slowly turn the steering wheel from full left to full right 3 or more times to purge the oil from inside the steering gear. Make sure the drain pan is in position to catch the oil from the steering gear. With a clean, lint-free shop towel, wipe out the inside of the reservoir to remove any dirt or remaining fluid. Attach the pressure and return lines to the steering gear and tighten. Install a new filter element in the reservoir. Follow the instructions on the filter element or refer to the vehicle manufacturer's service manual. Clean the reservoir cover with an approved solvent. Remove the old gasket from the cover and replace it with a new gasket. Fill the reservoir with new steering fluid to within 1 inch of the top of the reservoir canister. Never allow the reservoir to empty during the fluid filling procedure. Emptying of the reservoir could cause damage to the pump. Refer to the vehicle manufacturer's service manual for the vehicle's recommended fluid, or check the Sheppard website for an up-to-date list of all the approved fluids. Start the vehicle and allow to idle. Check the fluid level and fill as needed. The correct fluid level with the engine off should be between the add and the full marks. Steer the vehicle from full left to full right several times to circulate the fluid. Check the fluid level again and add fluid as needed. Visually check all fittings and hoses for external leaks. Shut the vehicle off. Remove the drain pan. Lower the vehicle until the tires contact the surface and remove the jack. Bleed the system as described in the bleeding procedures section of this video, the Sheppard Power Steering Service Manual, or the Sheppard website.